Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I am going to talk about something we all deal with, which is skin problem in the summer. As temperature rises, so do the chances of rashes, fungal infections, body acne, sunburns and prickly heat. But the good news, with the right blend of modern science and Ayurvedic wisdom, you can easily prevent and manage these issues and keep your skin naturally cool, clear and healthy. So if your skin feels irritated, sweaty, itchy or inflamed this season, stay with me till the end. This video might just save your skin. So first and foremost, let us understand why summer affects your skin so much. Summer heat can really take a toll on your skin and here's why. As temperature rises, your body naturally produces more sweat to stay cool. However, when sweat mixes with bacteria, dust and excess oil on your skin, it creates the perfect environment for clogged pores. This not only leads to breakouts and irritation but can also weaken your skin natural barrier. This results in an increased risk of infection, rashes and dullness. That is why it's essential to tweak your skincare routine during summer because your skin needs extra care to stay fresh, clean and protected in the heat and humidity. Now I am going to share some common summer skin problem and also share some practical tips to manage out at home at the end of the video. So stay with me till the end. In summer, heat rash or prickly heat occurs when sweat ducts become blocked, causing tiny red bumps and an intense itch. Fungal infections are also common in the summer, especially in the moist areas such as underarm, groin and feet, where sweat and warmth create an ideal environment for fungal growth. Body acne, particularly on the back, is triggered by clogged pores and friction from tight clothing. Additionally, prolonged sun exposure can lead to sunburn and skin inflammation, resulting in redness, irritation and peeling. So if you experience any of these issues, you are not certainly alone. These skin conditions are widespread during hot, humid weather. And the good news is, there is highly manageable with proper hygiene, breathable clothing, sun protection and targeted skin care. Keep in mind that addressing them early can help you maintain healthy, clear skin all summer long. Now, what is an Ayurvedic perspective on summer skin issues? According to Ayurveda, summer is governed by Pitta dosha, which symbolizes heat, transformation and metabolism. When Pitta becomes imbalanced, it often shows up on the skin as rashes, redness, acne, inflammation and increased sensitivity. To maintain healthy skin during this season, it is important to pacify excess Pitta by staying cool from within and adopting a soothing, natural skincare routine. This includes using cooling herbs, drinking plenty of fluids, eating pitta pacifying food like cucumber and coconut and keeping the skin clean and hydrated. Balancing pitta not only improves skin health but also enhances overall well-being during the hot months. Now I am going to share some practical tips to cool and protect your skin backed by science and Ayurveda. So number 1 is cool down internally. Stay cool from within by drinking water infused with mint leaves, fennel seeds or coriander seeds, natural pitta pacifier known in Ayurveda. These ingredients help balance body heat during summer and you can also incorporate aloe vera juice or coconut water into your routine, both of which are excellent for reducing internal heat and keeping the body naturally hydrated and refreshed. Number 2 is keep your skin clean and dry. Bathe twice daily with a mild sulfate-free cleanser such as Ayurveda Surya body wash to keep your skin clean and fresh. Add a few drops of neem oil or tea tree oil to your bath water to benefit from their natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. After bathing, ensure that you dry all your skin folds thoroughly to prevent moisture buildup and fungal infections. Number 3 is to use natural cooling packs. Apply a paste of sandalwood and rose water to your face twice a week. It helps soothe inflammation, reduces redness and naturally brighten the skin. For body acne or heat rash, use a gentle cooling pack made from multani mitti and aloe vera gel. This blend helps absorb excess oil, cleanse pores and calm irritated skin. Number 4 is dress smart. Wear loose, breathable cotton clothing to promote airflow, reducing your sweating and minimizing your skin friction. This helps prevent heat rash and irritation. Always change out of sweaty clothes immediately, especially after workouts to avoid clogged pores, bacterial buildup and body acne. Staying drying and comfortable is the key to maintaining a healthy skin during this hot and humid weather. Number 5 is protect from the sun. Use a natural broad spectrum sunscreen containing ingredients like zinc oxide, cucumber extract or aloe vera to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. These ingredients are gentle and soothing for sensitive summer skin. Additionally, cover exposed skin with light breathable fabrics and try to avoid direct sun exposure between 11 am to 3 pm when UV rays are the strongest. Number 6 is eat cooling foods. Include cooling foods like cucumbers, melons, leafy greens and homemade buttermilk in your daily meal to help balance pitta and keep your body hydrated. These food naturally reduces heat and support clear and healthy skin. Avoid spicy, fried and excessively sour food as they can aggravate pitta dosha and leading to increased inflammation, breakouts and skin sensitivity. If you notice persistent redness, foul smelling, rashes, cracked skin or spreading infection, so it is important to consult a doctor. Ayurveda offers powerful herbal solutions such as manjishta, neem and turmeric, but these must be prescribed based on your body type and condition. Never ignore skin issues, and the skin is a mirror of what's happening inside your body. So that is all for today's video, and if you notice something like this on your skin, do not hesitate to call us at the number mentioned in the video, and we are here to help you achieve healthier skin. To wrap up, summer doesn't have to be a season of skin struggle. With a little mindfulness and the right herbs and a cooling lifestyle, you can enjoy the sunshine without compromising your skin health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who struggles with summer skin issues. Until next time, stay calm, stay cool and stay radiant.